afternoon. Time checks almost 1. Namin sa CLS. Israeli kasi follow-up check-up ni Brianna sa yung zoo. Yung doctor. So, we're heading there. Late na mi. So, kita-kits na dito. Let's go guys. Dreamy sa Fords. Dr. Adam. Time for check-up. Still late. Yun guys, tapos na kami dito guys sa Fords rehab performance. So, balik na kami. Pick up na naman si Viola kaya napaabot ng sama. Kita-kits na dito, okay? Yes. Oh, let's go. Obo! Hi guys! So, enjoy the view! Oh, the big view! It's so sunny after all this rain. Like, ilang araw din yun, di ba? So now, it's sunny. It's good. It's better. Okay lang. Guys, happy Saturday sa tanan. Enjoy your weekend. Dito lang na to. Maayo pa palang kalan, okay? Babush! And after sa check-up ni Brianna, at hindi sa Toyota, kaya na sila ay Tacoma! El Taco Day! So mag-taco day tayo ngayon. Pumila tayo. Libre, nasaan yung libre? Doon tayo sa libre. Let's go there. Let's grab some tacos. Grab some tacos. Tacos. Mahaba at ang pila. Yari tayo. Let's do this guys. Hey Zach, I'm late. Am I late? Do you have blinds?
What?
Do you have blinds?
No, everybody, you can just go up. Everybody's just waiting now.
Okay, that's good. Hey Zach, there you go. I guess all the stipends are almost done. Relax lang. A little behind. Yeah, Zach, guys. I'm just gonna take a video because like they're behind, so I didn't make the line. I missed the line.
Again?
Yeah, that's right. I'm so hungry. So I said I'm gonna go there. I'm so lazy to cook some food. I said I'm gonna go there. Guys, here go. Hi, amiga.
Hi, amigo.
Oh, the event's still going on, guys. Like 15 minutes more. Hi, Jeff. Wala, naglaro na yung mga bata, yung mga anak ko. So, dito lang tayo. Wala na eh, hindi na tayo umabot eh. Wala na daw, masyado. Marami daw marami pa yung nakalista na kailangan nilang gawin, so wala. Uwi na lang tayo, pick upin na natin si Viola and then that's it. At least nakapunta tayo sa event, di ba? Yeah, if you want, you can go.
Hello!
Go.
Hello!
You see anything?
Alright, how are you, buddy? I like your rubbies.
Wala, di naman pwede sa taco, guys. Sa kape na lang. So, mag-kape na namin, guys. Sa kape na namin dito. Right, that's good. So, kape time na lang tayo. Ingana rin. Yung mga bata. Lingaw silang kape. Dili libre. Dito mahal man sa Tim Hortons. Dili kami libre sa mua. Brewed? Yeah, just medium.
Hello? It's overflowing. It's farting. What are you making?
Just relax. The new Sapros in the house.
What is this stick?
Here we go.
What is this stick?
Sticky what? Oh, no, you can just put that stick there if you like. Let's go there. Let's go straight. Let's go straight. Go straight. Okay. Let's go. Okay, let's go. There you go. Come here. This way. Water. I grab this. I can grab this one. You grab water.
We can go.
Yeah, you can grab one. Just water. Just.
Should I go water?
Hey guys, good afternoon. So nandito tayo kay Pauline. So cute. So let's go inside. Say hi to Pauline. Say hi to Tita Pauline. Oh, go inside. Yeah. You say hi to Tita Pauline. Hello po. Pao, hi.
Hello!
Ito
na si
na. It's my vlogger.
Uy, sumama ka nga sa ano.
Pauline Studio. Nandito na tayo. Balik na natin, di ba? So guys, balik na sa Dinini. Busy siya pero hindi. So at least, di ba, pag may chance, ano mo Dinini ha? Mga locals, mga friends na to. Diba? Support.
Ay, hindi na ba? Hindi na sumasayo. Napagod na. Umaakit na kasi sa bubong. Di ba nag-ano ka din? Roofing? Hindi na. Ay, hindi na ba? Akala ko nag-roof.
For ano lang, 4 days.
Kasi wala tayo din ako ng biyahe. Kaya yung gas. Kala nyo 3 araw, 75 na. Huwag na uwi.
Ay, oo nga.
Sus ng kampanya, hindi
Hindi man tayo nakapaganda kayo. Diyos ko. Ang bagong gising tayo nito. Late ng lahat.
Hey guys, so natin sa first date now. So what we're gonna do is, gusto sa mga bata, gusto nila na maglakad-lakad. So maglakad-lakad tayo. So we're going ahead. So anyway guys, kini siya din area. This is, we call it First Street. Ito yung historical street. Muna siyang historical street sa Cochrane. Pinaka-old ano ni siya dinini. Town. Not town. Parang ano siya, parang yung mga establishment ba. Yeah, what's up? Yeah, we go to the mall. We're just gonna go to the pedestrian lane because there are lots of cars, okay? So, anyway guys, so gusto nila mag to mall, so mahanap na rin silang mini mall. Ano sila yung mini mall yun? Mahanap na rin silang mini mall.
After we're like done in the mall, I wanna like go to our own store.
Say the flavor. Okay. Ciao. So guys, this is yung historical street.
There.
Yan, no? Ito yung tinatawag na First Street here in Cochrane. Nasa Dinini guys. So, diri sa ta, lakaw-lakaw sa diri, maglaglag sa ta Dinini. So, anyway, subanis ako, okay? Benchmark price. Oh, napaghapon din ini guys. Pag may mga ano ng mga sapatos guys. Yan oh. Peri-per. Shuri per shop. Naghapon din ini sa First Street. Muna lang mini mall. Dire. Muna lang pinakakaraan na mall din ini guys. Yan sa First Street. Yan oh. Morning mall din. So, yeah. Pasok tayo guys. So, ano lang, yung mga karaan na mall, they have the flower shop here. Yung restaurant nila diri na din here. So, ito lang.
Then why do you have this shop here? Can I have a hospital? Why can't you sell how many stuff that's in there? Yeah, I want one of those.
So, ito lang sila din ini guys. Maraming ini. Not that much happening. So, yung nila siya. So, and if you go all the way here, morning backdoor din ini. Marami ang paradahan nila din ini.
Eskimo.
So, yeah. Marami paradahan dito guys. There you go.
Let's go to my old school.
That's too far, anak. It's all the way there. Yeah, right? So, yeah. We'll go back.
It's not that far. We could drive. I really do want to.
No.
We could go to my old school.
We'll try. We'll try. We'll ask mom.
I know the way there.
You read it? Are we gonna go that way? Do you wanna go that way or are we gonna go to the first street? Oh, to the other side. All the way up there, yeah?
Not all the way up there.
It's just all the way up there.
So we walk the sidewalk. Yeah, I know where we're going. I know where we're going. If I were lost here, I would know our way.
You know your way?
I know our way around downtown a little bit. I know all about fire.
Huh?
I know all about
Tsada kayong panahon guys. Tsada kayo.
Okay, I've been everywhere in Butters. Robbie, come here.
We'll go this way. We cross here. Oh, watch out. Oh, go. Thank you. Let's go. Benedict, we'll go here. Here. We'll go this way first. We'll go to the ice cream. We have McHale's, right? We'll go to McHale's. Yeah. Right here, right here. Stellar Studio. Oh. So muna rin guys ang mga old establishment na dinini. Let's go. So right.
Xander's trying to do a wheelie on a bike.
Oh yeah? Okay, so guys.
Oh, my cave.
This way na. Heavenly. And muna sila mga survivor na mga tindahan guys lang. Last time mga pandemic pa. Naangapon nila survive lang yapon andal na ulok. And then yeah, again, nata sa First Street. And this is the old old hotel din ini sa Cochrane. Muna siya diri. Old hotel. Pakita nga sa inyo sila. Old hotel. Ayan siya dyan. Ang old hotel. Muna siya guys. Old hotel ni siya diri. Historical hotel. So yeah, isa guys, historical hotel. So guys, muna siya din sa First Street. Muna siya pinaka old hotel din ini. One of the historical hotel din ini sa mga sa Cochrane. Yeah, again, nato din ini sa First Street. So sila. All the way there. Yeah. So
Hotel. Let's see what's in here.
nagang japo ka natin na nagang japo ka pangaon. That's a hotel, yeah. That's the oldest hotel here in Cochrane. And then gusto niyo maayo guys, ang mga tourists ang mostly mga tao din Manila din dito sa ice cream. Sa cheese. Ayan, nagang natin din pila pero hindi guys. Muna na yan din pila. Famous ka na din yung nasa kong last vlog na ako last time. So, every time na mga tao din mga tourists Manila din sa Cochrane. Right? Enjoy lang ulit.
Chocolate. What is this?
na ta. Nakalakal lang ta din ini. And then they have also here the bar. Yung bar, yeah guys. So, old bar. Old bar. Billiards. Yeah, tao din eh.
I can.
Do you wanna go to Jiu-Jitsu? The Jiu-Jitsu is right there, look.
I think.
You wanna go there?
Let's go. Let's go.
Designer.
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
Oh, and we'll go this way. Come here.
Jiu-Jitsu. Jiu-Jitsu, yeah. Papa.
We're in the back alley right now, as you can see, guys. We're in the back alley. Just
How about when we're done, Mama's haircut, we drive?
okay, yeah, we'll go there.
Yeah, drive.
We try to drive. Yeah.
When Mama's done.
Okay na gan. Mga back alley.
Your own work.
My God.
City.
It's kind of cold, eh?
No.
For me, you know, not you, because you're wearing something. But me, I'm just wearing shirts. I know. But Papa is kind of, you know. Pero na din sa back alley. Dili sa ilang. Isa ka mall. Duha ka buk ilang mall dire. Katong dito sa first dito. Dire dahil sa sulod sa Sheridan Mall. Tawag na Sheridan Mall. Duha ka buk ilang mall din. So muna silang pinakakaraan ng mga establishment din ini. Katong mga na dito sa ano na sa Pikas. Muna to mga new establishment. Pero sa una itong ano pa, nakasaon-taon na gid karaan. Dini sila gid ang mall oh. Muna lang mall, ano, kaduan na mall. Yeah, right? So,
Oh yeah, my friend in grade 1 named Asher.
yeah.
He went to
Okay.
Jiu-Jitsu here.
Oh, right. So, yeah.
But he got kicked out because he couldn't.
Oh, that's it. So, yeah guys, so, tignan niyo ba, mga old guy, mga establishment, mga building dire guys, gamay kayo. Mga karaan kayo ba? Oh. Sila din. So, agto tayo guys. Let's go. Let's go to the mall. Check natin lang mall ha.
Hey, Ate.
Check changi lang gawin ba? So, dire guys, nasa rin mga establishment kapos sa taas. Computer shop. Nasa rin barber shop din, liquor store. So, hindi din nasa sila. I don't know kung napadin niya ang ano. Oh, napadiri. Napagyapan ng ano dila guys, ang laundry. Before diya miga laundry, like yung mga big loads. Diya miga ka laundry. Anyway, agto ta sa second floor. Tanan natin.
No, why? No.
Let's go.
Why? No. Why? Would you stop? Like, oh, why don't you want to give it to me?
Let's go. Give it
Why
to me.
don't you want to give me?
What?
Because
What? Check out inside.
where are we?
There you go.
What the heck?
So this is the second floor.
Where is this
Inside.
place?
Oh, mo nilang second floor din. We are in the second floor. Some shops, I mean. There's some shops here. Here, let's go. Here. I don't know if they. We'll see if they have. I don't know if they are open. I guess they're closed, Benedict.
Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu.
So, guys, mana atong tour dito kanina sa ano nalamig kuan kanina dito sa Jiu-Jitsu kay
So when am I going?
si Benedict o si Brianna kung i-enroll mag-enroll or para nasa sila yung mga activities ba. Kita kay di naman ta pwede maka-enroll kay
Can I
yes, you can trade there. Di naman ta maka-enroll guys kay kapoy nung kayo. Kapoy ni kay guys. So ato kini atong mga anak na lahat enroll then hopefully
So when am I going
ano
to
siya.
enroll? Saturday?
So we're gonna sign you in online first, and then after that one, then yeah, hopefully by Saturday you can start. So
Yes.
yeah, so ito mo ni siya guys, oh, kana siya guys.
It looks like our car.
Kana siya. Oh.
Can you like go? Do jiu-jitsu? You're on that like.
today.
Mini restaurant. Ganyan sila mga survivor guys.
I should have asked him if he had a student named Alexander. Because, okay, my classmate Alexander, she goes to that exact same dojo.
Siya guys.
Because when I told her I was going to go to jiu-jitsu, she said to go to Brazilian.
Arresting someone who didn't do it.
Sabi kayong pila, diniperminti guys. Hindi, lalo na pag summer. Mura nila yan diri, ice cream. Diba? So if you want to know more about Makis guys, sa akong old vlogs, narito sila. So mga tao diri guys, naglinya sila din. Back to barracks na ta. Balikan na nato si Viola.
I bet. Yeah, some point Saturday. I'm gonna start on
This is an
Wednesday.
old hotel.
I'm gonna start.
Steakhouse, Texas Grill.
I'm gonna start on Wednesday. I have to do school early. Yeah.
So, mura to itong laag-laag karon din ini guys. Itong libot-libot din ini sa historical street. Dili sa Cochrane. Okay na ta. Kumbati na. So,
Let's go.
we're back to back.
Ayun no? Peace man.
Cheers man. Back to back. Back to basement.
Saan tayo nakarating?
Doon lang sa first street. Ikot-ikot lang.
Nakita mo
Video mo yung story downtown.
Ang downtown lang. Pero yung historic logo wala pa. Wala na. Yung lang sinabi ko lang. Oh. Wala. Puntahan natin.
Kinakarin natin.
Lakaran. Puntahan man natin yung historic na sign guys para makita natin. Sige, sige. This is Daeon Korean restaurant. Dirita. Rocky View. Sabi yung mga din ini guys. Mga establishment. Pero as you can see, right? Oh, tingnan niyo, mubo lagi kayo din ini guys. Mga karaan ni kaya lang style din ini sa mga nila. Dili kasi rin na kuan. Let's go. Dili kasi rin nga dagko kayo ba? Nagmay lagi kayo ni sila diri na area. Nagmay. What story go? Sila dira trailblazers, pinakakaraan na mga shop yapon. Na dia, walang tao guys. Okay, establishment ba? So, asa dito guys. Diretso lang ta. Potpourri, best to breakfast. Meron namang kalingawan diri guys. Basta mani ka diri sa Cochrane. Diri ka sa First Street or doon to kadapit sa mayan. Sa mga bago na mga establishment na area. But mostly diri ra. Area. Oh, look at that. Vine Coffee. Meron na dito Vine Coffee. Wonder Donuts. Oh. Number 1 donuts. We might just gonna try their donuts.
I love chicken. No, I'm not even.
Uy, Nandiri guys oh. Murag barato ra ang ilang gas din ninyo. Barato ra ilang gas diri kay ang gas ta mo dito 141 diri 138. Oh, busy street. Ini. Malaki ka sa mga dito sa taas pero pareho rin sila kagiyaba. Oh, 138. Pero dito guys, dami sa mga sa taas sa fireside. Ang tagyan ng Shell, o tagyan dito, pareho rin sila. Pero ang price dito 138. Samantala dito sa mga 141. Car wash. Oh, we need a car wash. You really need a car wash. Look at that. Hills. Philly restaurant. Camp Saya. Camp Saya.
I see that. I see this backpack.
Oh yeah, in the school.
Yeah,
It's going to the school, right?
in my school.
So guys, go Crane. So now guys, we are here in Grand Centrals. So akong ano siya din guys, oh, muna siya pinaka ano dire guys, pinaka new na building nag Grand Central Properties, pero parang ano lang siya ba? Diyan lang. No, he's here. So here we go guys. So now we're here. Wala na may sakyan ng dinigi. Here we go. Right? The historic downtown. So muna siya ang gingo sa inyo guys. Historic downtown. So kini siya guys. Sugod din ini. Padulong dito sa tong backlight kanina guys. Muna ang gingo sa inyo na historic downtown. So yan siya, diba? Open historic downtown. Ano yung mga diretso dyan tanan mga old downtown. Historic na siya.